Namaste dosto, welcome to Kismet Connection. Myself Rohit Shah. Today I'm going to highlight two things that we generally do in day-to-day life. One is exchanging our clothes with our friends, and the second is what precaution one should take when they are taking a bath or shower. So जो पहला जो है especially very much applicable to ladies because generally the ladies they exchange their clothes, their ornaments with their friends, family members, and also to some extent to the men as well. But primarily, I have noticed that women or the girls they do quite often. So I highly recommend that you should not do at any cost. Reason being that when we give our clothes to somebody, uh, you know, even for a few hours, we basically give our positivity, our aura, our energy, or that is in that cloth to that person. And so basically, we are giving away our positive energy to that person, and in return when they return the clothes to us, we basically get their energy as well in that clothes, and when we wear that clothes तो वो एनर्जी हमको भी इफेक्ट करती है जो जनरली नेगेटिव ही रहती होगी because someone who borrows or who asks you for your clothes, you know their mentality or their intention. So please, at any cost, say sorry, whatever you need to do, but do not give your piece of cloth, आपके, ornaments जो रहते हैं, anything for that matter to anybody. Do not share with anybody. Second thing is when we take bath or shower जब हम नहाने को जाते हैं the पुराने जमाने में आप देखोगे old movies or if you have grown up in the village तो उस टाइम पे जब whenever person used to go for the shower they always had a piece of cloth on their body. Generally, it is believed that the negative entity like Bhut, Pret, Atma generally enters into the naked body very quickly than the one that is having some sort of clothes on it. लेकिन आजकल के ज़माने में ऐसा हो गया है कि generally people don't have any piece of cloth when they take a bath or shower. So in that case, what one should do is can wear the thread on their hand, on the wrist. So I have here few threads actually. I also wear mala, with the pendant with that black thread, and that is always with me 24/7. So you should, अगर आप पहनते नहीं हो, but at least when you go for the shower or bath, have some sort of thread on your body, so that will prevent the attack of the negative entity. uh, नहाने के बाद आप वो निकाल सकते हो, जैसे आप कपड़े पहनने लगते हो तो आप वो निकाल के रख दीजिए साइड में. You may have seen Brahmins or the certain community, they have this janoi they wear across the, their upper part of the body. And why they wear the janoi, so now you know the reason that why they have that thread on their body 24/7. So I hope this enlightened you with some more knowledge. Thank you very much, friends. So please do share with your friends and family so they can also benefit. And do like and subscribe Kismet Connection channel. Thank you very much.